Mindset transformations occurs over time. Because each person's perspective, experience, and circumstances are distinctive, it is not possible to accurately predict how long it will take for each person's frame of mind to shift. Alterations to one's routine and way of life can have an effect on one's frame of mind. The formation of new habits typically takes a few weeks or months. Check your current mood and what you've gained from your experiences, and then revisit and redefine your mentality to reflect those changes. Keep tabs on your development and be proud of the progress you've made. Baby steps, raw emotions, and introspective journaling can shed light on the next steps you should take to firmly establish a new way of thinking that is outside of your mental comfort zone. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Participating in the following activities can help you enhance your mindset. 1. Be open to new experiences. It's possible that changing your perspective will require you to make new acquaintances, quit your work, or relocate to a different place. If you choose to embrace the challenge, though, you may find that you emerge on the other side of it both physically and mentally stronger than you were before. 2. Set goals. Because having a positive mental attitude can make it easier to achieve goals, it is a good idea to write down what you want so that you can see it in print and then take steps to achieve those goals. To improve your chances of achieving your objectives, you should first break them down into more manageable steps. 3. Encompass oneself with upbeat and optimistic people. Your positive thinking friends and family members will be essential to the process of altering your perspective. If you surround yourself with people that are negative, you will pick up their tendencies, which will make it more difficult for you to better yourself. 4. Take walks. A good stroll can help clear your mind, put things in perspective, and provide you with some simple exercise all at the same time. Regular physical activity can improve your ability to think more clearly and release endorphins, which can raise your mood. 5. Express your emotions to someone else. Changing one's way of thinking can be a lot of work. Express your emotions to a trusted friend or a therapist by having a conversation with them. In order to communicate how you are feeling, try keeping a journal or indulging in long phone conversations with loved ones. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.